Hello friends, today we are going to see one of the problems of definite integrals, that's the SA1. So this is the question. Evaluate integration pi, upper limit is pi and lower limit is 0, x sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Okay. Now formulas which we are going to use are somewhat. In the place of x we are going to use x minus x. Okay. In the same way, sin pi minus x is nothing but 180 minus theta is nothing but sin x. The same way cos 180 minus theta is nothing but minus cos x. Cos x is equal to t d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. And value of cos pi is minus 1. In the same way value of cos 0 is minus 1, same. Not minus, plus 1. Tan inverse of minus theta is minus tan theta. Tan of minus theta is also minus tan theta. Tan of minus theta. Integration of 1 by x square is tan inverse x. Okay? We'll see the formulas, we see the problems, you will be getting to understand. This is the question. First of all, what I said, let it be I. I is equal to pi to 0. In the place of x, what we should write? Pi minus x. Sin of in the place of x, pi minus x by 1 plus cos square x, right? Now will be equal to what? Integration pi 0 pi minus x, pi minus x sin pi minus sin x. Okay, just multiply with pi and x minus x sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Okay, now just make this separately. I is equal to this entire pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x minus pi 0 x sin x by 1 plus cos square x, right? X sin x 1 plus cos square x. This entire value is what? I. This question only, no? I we have taken, no? I is equal to this, no? We have taken. So minus I. Minus I there go means what will happen? Plus I. I plus I, 2I. 2I is equal to pi 0. Pi is the general value. Simple. So it will come outside. Sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Okay. Now till here we got. After getting, what we must do? Just we have to take cos x is equal to 0. Cos x is equal to t. See. Let cos x is equal to what? T. Differentiating with respect to d by dx of cos x is equal to what? Dt by dx, right? Cos x is what? Minus sin x. Minus sin x is equal to what? Dt by dx. Minus sin x dx is equal to what? Dt. Sin x dx is equal to, just we are sending minus there, it will be minus of dt. Understood? We have got the value of dt, we have got the value of t. Now let's do the upper and lower limit. What is upper limit? What is the upper limit and what is the lower limit? What here? Pi and 0. Here it was pi and here it was 0. What we have taken? Cos x is equal to t we have taken, no? In the place of x, just keep the upper limit. Cos pi is equal to 0. The value of cos pi what? We have seen, no? Value of cos pi is what? Minus 1. Is minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to t. T value we have got minus 1. In the same way, lower limit. What is x value? We have taken cos x is equal to t we have taken, no? cos of 0 is equal to t. Cos 0 is what? 1. Upper limit is minus 1 and lower limit is plus 1. Now just we write the question. Okay, what was the question? Till now what we got? Pi 2i is equal to this, right? To I is equal to pi upper limit pi, lower limit 0, sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Here this we have got. Just we are sending I there. Pi by 2. Upper limit, lower limit, what we got? Minus 1 and 1. Sin x dx. What the value we have got? Sin x dx is minus dt, right? Minus dt. Minus of dt by 1 plus cos square x. Something we have got the value there. Cos x, what we have supposed? T, right? 1 plus t square. Okay, is equal to pi by 2. Now we want to change this minus value, plus we want to make this. So upper limit will become lower limit and lower limit becomes upper limit. Minus will become plus and plus will become minus 1. dt by 1 plus t square, right? What is integration 1 by t square? We know that it is what? Tan theta, tan inverse theta. Pi by 2 is equal to tan inverse theta. Theta means what? T we have taken. Theta means what? T, no? Upper limit is 1, lower limit is minus 1. Right? Now just let's take the formula and we will be keeping. What are the formulas we used? Not formula, limit, sorry. Is equal to what? Pi by 2. Upper limit is tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of minus 1, right? Pi by 2, tan inverse of 1 is nothing but pi by 4. In the same way, tan inverse of minus 1 is minus pi by 4. Same, 45 degree. Pi by 2 minus into minus is plus. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4. What will get? Pi by 2, 2 pi by 4. 2 1 the, 2 2 the, pi by 2 will get, right? Pi by 2 into pi by 2, pi square by 2 to the 4. This is the answer, right? Pi square by 4 is the answer for entire question. Some big is there, but easy. Just you have to keep the formulas. These formulas in your mind, easily you will be understanding. Hoping that you have understood. Thank you.